In the whirlwind of daily existence, it's effortless to be ensnared in stress and negativity. Yet by adopting 3 simple rules, we can carve out a path to a happier, more fulfilling life. First, learn to ignore. The secret to a happier life lies in disregarding things that hold no true value. Bombarded by information, opinions, distractions, it's vital to sift out the noise and concentrate on what genuinely merits your attention. This way you liberate yourself from needless stress and anxiety, making room for more positive thoughts and experiences. Secondly, surround yourself with positive people. The company you keep significantly influences your perspective and well-being. Positive individuals radiate an infectious energy that can elevate your spirits. Who are these positive influences? They are positive thinkers, always spotting the silver lining. They are well-wishers, genuinely caring about your well-being and success. They are experts in different subjects whose knowledge can broaden your horizons and foster personal growth. Lastly, see the big picture of life. Happiness often rests in understanding that life is a grand tapestry, woven from countless experiences and moments. Instead of obsessing over the details, step back to appreciate the bigger picture. Realize that both successes and failures are part of your journey and contribute to your growth. In sum, these 3 rules provide a roadmap to a happier life. By incorporating these guidelines into your life, you'll navigate the ups and downs more effectively, leading to a more fulfilling existence. Remember, ignore the unnecessary, surround yourself with positivity, and see the grand tapestry of life.